Did you know that the highest mountain on Earth wasn't always there? Let's talk about Mount Everest, the roof of the world. Millions of years ago, the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate. That collision didn't just cause an earthquake, it gave birth to the Himalayas. And right at the heart of it, Mount Everest began to rise. Even today, it's still growing, about 4 millimeters every year. Mount Everest stands at 8,848.86 meters above sea level. It sits on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. To the local Sherpas, it's called Chamalungma, meaning Goddess Mother of the World. In Nepal, it's known as Sagarmatha. Climbing Everest is a dream for many, and a danger for all. Oxygen levels at the top are just 1/3 of what we breathe at sea level. Winds can reach up to 200 kilometers per hour. Over 300 climbers have died trying to reach the summit. Some bodies are still visible on the mountain, frozen where they fell. Despite the danger, thousands attempt the climb every year. Technology and commercial expeditions have made it more accessible, but overcrowding and climate change are adding new risks. Melting glaciers are exposing bodies, and trash buried for decades. Some say Everest is no longer pure. Mount Everest is not just a mountain. It's a symbol of human ambition and a reminder of nature's power. Would you ever dare to climb it? I've already mentioned it in the comments below. I also request you to subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos. May you be safe from all dangers.